All right, here we go. Here we go. Uh, how to make $844 a day and where you can make it from. But first of all, I want to say my name is Curtis Hooks and I am the CEO and the founder of Rooted Entrepreneurs. I was able to tap into a system that's online right now that very few people know about during my time of um, we'll say rage that I had because I had went through a life what I would call a life crisis, and within that life crisis gave me momentum and gave me focus and made me want to change my financial life. Sometimes things can go on in your life that actually can push you to where you want to be. And I was able to make um, I was able to make 800. I was able to make $844 a day with this particular system that I'm about to introduce you to in the net on the next page. Now, what can you do with $844 a day? Well, I'm gonna tell you one thing that you can pay rent. Okay, you can pay rent on time. Okay, right? You can pay rent on time. You can pay your uh your car payment. Okay, you pay your car payment on time. Right? Okay, you with me? Okay. All right. Not only can you do that, you can pay any you can pay any other bills. Okay, on time. Okay, you can go on a trip. You can take trips. Okay, uh, trips. Okay, uh, when you want to. Okay, okay, when you want. Okay, two. Okay, you can take trips when you want to. Okay, you can buy things that you can afford with $844 a day. Um, with the life I have and the way I spend money, um, I really don't see myself spending $844 in one day. I really don't. I'm not the type of person that shop a lot. Um, I have a very if I spend a lot of money on anything, it'll be food because I eat a certain way, and they say when you eat healthy, it costs a little bit more. So that's about the most. That's about the most I spend money on is my health, my well being, and my education. Okay, that's where most of my money goes. My health, my well being, and my education, and that I can feed myself to make my life a whole lot better. Better growth, personal growth. That's where most of my money go. Um, that's what I invest my money in. So if you're gonna invest in anything uh, in your life, always look forward to invest in yourself. That's the most best investment that you can ever do. Investing in yourself, your growth, your health, uh, and you would be okay because everything else will follow. You'll be able to have the energy. You'll be able to have the stamina. You'll be able to have the mindset. You'll be able to have the want to, the go get. You'll be able to have all that when you invest in yourself. So that's what most of I spend my money on. $844 a day. So let me show you. Let me show you a cut. Let me show you. Something right quick. That proved to you that I made the $844 a day and it got deposited into my bank account.